Hi, and thank you for watching. Today's video is going a little bit different than I had initially planned. Don't worry, it's still nothing deep or serious. I am usually a very smart shopper, especially when it comes to all things luxury. I think I'm a really smart shopper. And my biggest advice is not to impulse shop. So there I was, I downloaded Disney Plus. And they have Lizzie McGuire. I refueled my obsession for Hilary Duff. Her style and all that is just top notch. She's thick, she's feminine, she has really good style. I saw a lot of photos of her with her nice big legs in these really high heels. So I went shopping and I wanted to try on some Louboutins because I just wanted to know which size I was. A lot of times when I go shopping, I'm not in the mood to purchase. I want to familiarize myself with that brand. I'd never purchased Louboutins before and I just wanted to know what size I am. I'm a 37.5, definitely a 38 in Christian Louboutin. With that, I impulse purchased a pair of shoes. Not the style I was looking into, definitely not the color I was looking into. I'm excited that I'm actually posting this unboxing because I really like my skin in the video. I don't have a lick of makeup on, I just have my fresh skin. So I'll show you the unboxing and I'll show you what they are. Very out of character. As soon as you open it, this is his business card. Keep that. A couple dust bags. This is the 100mm Hot Chick. It has like a scalloped back, which I thought was so cute, and a pointed toe. And they're really beautiful on too. So I've heard that the Hot Chick is not comfortable, but I think it'll be okay. Treat your shoes however you like. I personally am not going to be adding a rubber sole to my shoes. I'm fine with the look of the wear. Since my wardrobe is very black, white, and gray, I just thought why not do a fun color. I could wear these with white, I could wear these with black like I have on now. This is a romper. Red bottoms. Oops, I dropped the shoe. This is the shoe on. How do I show you this shoe? I wanted some fun, crazy shoes. I think that you can wear these in the summer and spring. I know, summer's almost over. I don't love summer anyway, but I just wanted something to get me through the final summer month. I think these are like 4-inch. They're not crazy uncomfortable, but I do love heels though. These shoes are still farting because they're brand new. So there's lots of air pockets. Anyway, these will conform to my foot soon enough, I'm sure. Dun, dun, dun. I want to turn the sound off of this segment. How do they look? Cute? It's just the noise that's really like, not so elegant. I also have lotion on my feet, so. Arguably the biggest sale of the year, and I'm purchasing things that are not on sale. But it's my first pair of Louboutins. I don't know. I just have to get them to stop being so gassy. It's kind of loud. They're so uncomfortable. Why didn't you tell me?
Next pair takes the trophy for being the most ridiculously painful and uncomfortable shoe I have ever purchased in my entire life. These are the Hot Chick.
First of all, I am very comfortable in heels. I wear heels all the time. Every single day, I at least wear wedges. So I was wearing these new shoes. I almost fell in my parking lot. Concrete floor parking lot. I tripped and watched my life flash before my eyes.
The life flashed before my eyes. It was really boring.
I didn't tumble or fall. I would have broken all my joints. I did take like a baby spill and I got really nervous. So I still wore the shoes out because they matched my outfit. And I finally got to wear my white blazer from Forever 21 that I purchased like probably 9 years ago for real. And it was fun. They're farty and they're not comfortable. So after one use, here are the shoes. Definitely is scuffing on the red bottom. I know that they have those grippy red soles that you can get attached to these. I don't want to do that because I like the look of when it wears out. I think it looks cuter. Like you definitely get toe cleavage which I don't always love. Actually, I don't love at all. But I liked that they were pointy heels that didn't make your toes look long. Imagine you're at a fancy restaurant and everyone's dolled up and very hip, eating their salads, and you're walking around sounding like this. I sound like a steamboat. I sound like a gassy kid. That's not what you want to sound like, you know? I'm not making that up. So farty. At least I brought you to blame it on.